Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best solutions for walker mobility aids on the market, the walker coasters. These are designed to enhance the functionality of your walker, offering a smooth gliding experience over various surfaces. Let's explore why these are a game changer for anyone using a walker. The walker coasters are crafted from durable plastic, designed specifically to replace traditional tennis balls on walker tips. They come in a vibrant tennis ball yellow, ensuring visibility and style while providing a smooth glide over both indoor floors and outdoor sidewalks. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. First off, these coasters glide effortlessly, minimizing friction and allowing for easier maneuverability. Their bright color makes them easy to spot, reducing the risk of tripping hazards. They're made from sturdy plastic, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Perfect for use indoors and outdoors, these coasters are a versatile addition to any walker. Now, what sets the walker coasters apart from other options? Unlike tennis balls, they won't collect dirt or leave marks on your floors. They're a great alternative for those who need reliable support without compromising on aesthetics or functionality. To sum it up, if you or a loved one relies on a walker for mobility, the walker coasters are a must-have accessory. They combine practicality with a splash of color and are backed by a strong track record of customer satisfaction. Make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your own set of walker coasters today.